Assalamu alaikum students. Now today we have to go through the topic electrical energy. What is electrical energy? Electrical energy is simply the energy supplied by supplied by source of EMF, that is the cell or battery, to maintain a current, to maintain maintain electric current electric current in circuit. Simply electrical energy and power. Power is rate of doing work, but electrical energy is the energy supplied by source. That is, by mean of source, I mean cell or battery. That is the source which provides the electrical energy. Source of EMF means cell or battery, so that there will be current in the circuit. So we can put this electrical energy E. It is equal to the P times T. The power times the time, or we are having P is equal to V into I into T. We can put it like this. So if we are going to go through the units of this very electrical energy, it is having a unit of, for energy we are having a unit of joule, that is joule. So joule is for power we are having watt, for time we are having second, watt second, or we can say volt ampere second. This is also the unit of what? Electrical energy. Another unit of electrical energy is watt hour. Watt hour. Watt hour. Watt hour is also the unit of energy, and 1 watt hour equals to how much? 3600 joule. We have here defined 1 kilowatt hour. How much is 1 kilowatt hour? 1 kilowatt hour, which is also called as 1 unit. You might have seen the electrical meters to your respective homes, which are supplied by electrical department or PG department. Uh, on those very meters, once then after the finishing of the month, every the person who is having duty, he checks the meters and he says you have consumed, or you might have seen your electrical bill. There it is written that you have consumed this very number of units: 100, 200, 600, or 1000. That is how much is 1 unit. One unit means simply 1 kilowatt hour. How much is 1 kilowatt hour? It is the amount of electrical energy, consumed consumed by 1000 watt 1000 watt electric appliance. When operates for 1 hour. So simply, I'm saying the electrical energy is the source of EMF to maintain a current in the circuit. Where having E is equal to P into T, or for P we're having V into I into T. E is the joule, for power we're having watt, for time we're having second. We can say its unit is watt second or volt ampere second. It is another unit is watt hour. How much is 1 watt hour? Is 3600 joule, or 1 kilowatt hour is, which is also called as the 1 unit. That is the amount of electrical energy consumed by 1000 watt. Once we are having 1000 watt, we can have a single appliance, or we can have many. Once we are having so many devices, if we are having two or three, four, five devices connected, uh, such that they are operating for 1 hour, and if they are consuming a power of an 1000 watt, then we can say the electrical energy that very time consumed is 1 kilowatt hour. There is a relation between 1 kilowatt hour and joule. Relation relation between one, or simply kilowatt hour, and joule. We know 1 kilowatt hour equals to, and here you have to also remember that this kilowatt hour, this is also known as board of trade unit, BOT, board of trade unit. 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1000, for kilo it's 1000, for watt hour equals to 1000 into watt. For watt we are having joule per second, and for hour we are having 3600 second. This second and this second is going to leave, it will be 3600 joule, and in standard form we'll put it 3.6 into 10 raised power 6 joule. This is how much will be 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is this very much. 1 watt hour is 3611 joule. 1 kilowatt is 3.6 into 10 raised power 6 joule. This is the relation between kilowatt hour and joule. And you have to remember that once the electrical department says you have consumed 300 units per month or 700 or whatsoever, and if 1 unit costs, you can calculate the electric bill. If 1 unit costs 1 rupee or 2 rupees, so you can calculate how much bill will be for your respective month. How much bill will be for if a person consumes per day, he is consuming 10 units, and for the month of August to July he is going to go like that. Then you can calculate the bill for that very person. So simply this was the knowledge regarding the watt electrical energy and kilowatt hour. Tomorrow, thus by having this was the last topic of this very unit. We will tomorrow inshallah either we are going to solve numericals, some of the numericals, and then we will go through many more lectures for new units. Till then, Allah Hafiz.